Hello students, I am Miss Nabila. This is English Grade 4 lesson. This program is brought to you by City Government of Addis Ababa Education Bureau with collaboration Addis Media Network. Today we are going to learn about like and dislike. Also, so do I lesson. Students, before we start our today's lesson, let us revise our previous lesson. Students, do you remember our previous lesson? I hope you are. Before we closed even, I gave you homework, even some questions. Let us revise our previous lesson. Last time we were learning about contracted form of words. When we said contracted, it means short form of words. It might noun, verbs, and also there are many words. For example, here is I, this is a pronoun, and here is am. This is verb to be. Let us contract it and let us use this as a short form of words. Here is, this is a punctuation mark, apostrophe, and here is am. We are just skip a. This is the short form of I am. Here is. Let us use the next one. She is. She is the word. This one is pronoun. This one is verb to be. Let us make it short form. She. Here is apostrophe. And this. She is. She's. She is. This is the short form of she is. Here is. Let us use next one. Do not. Students, we were learning about do and does. This is called verb to do. So let us make this short form of word. Here is. Let us take do. And here is. And apostrophe T. After apostrophe, there is T. Do not. Don't. Do not. Don't. Look, students, here. This one is when we read do not. And when we come to this one, don't. Let us use does. Not. Here is when we make it short form of word. Does. And apostrophe T. Doesn't. Look at students. Here are some example of contracted form of words. We will learn it last time. Let us start today's lesson. Today we are going to learn about so do I. This is related with like and dislike lesson. I hope you all are remember previous lesson. Before we learn about like and dislike, let me show you what is means so do I. Here is the topic. So do I. Students, this is the lesson so do I. Before we start so do I, let me remember you some vocabularies using for like and dislike. Here is some verbs that we can use for like and dislike when we show preference and what you don't like also. Here is like for positive. For example, like, love, prefer, enjoy. Here is students, look at this word. This is show positive sentences that you can show what you like. I prefer, I like, and also I enjoy. These are positive vocabulary and these are words, verbs can be used for preference and what you like, what you love, what you enjoy, and what you prefer. The next one is for negative form of sentences. Here is students. Don't like. Hate. And dislike. Look, students here for negative forms. Don't like, hate, and dislike. These are form of words that you show or just tell for your friends, your parents, for anyone that show what you don't prefer, what you don't like, even what you don't like to eat, what you don't like to watch, and whatever. These are some vocabularies that can be used as a positive form and also negative form. Let me show you with some examples. For example, I like reading. I like reading. For example, for negative form, I hate running. Look, students, the first one is positive form of sentence. Look at here. I like reading. And the next one is I hate running. I hate running. Maybe you don't like running because that makes you tired and you do have some reason for that. So this is to show the person what you prefer, what you like. Maybe there are many examples for this. It might be food, color, maybe fruits, and subject. It can be school subject. Some of students love very much mathematics and language and art too. So this is preference, that to show for your friends what you like and what you don't like. Let us see the next one, which kind of form or grammar usage of like and dislike. Let me show you that. You can use subject plus like. If it is singular pronoun or subject, you can use ES, or let us say ACE or ES. Next student is here, like ACE or ES for subjects that are singular. And here, ING verbs. What I said, ING verbs. Look, students, this is how you are going to make sentences when you are using like and dislike. Here is subject. When we say student is subject, we can say pronoun, he, she, it, I, or whatever. And also, we can use name, like Nabila, Hannah, Abel. We can use as a subject. And also, the next one, like, or it might be dislike. Or, for to make the sentence, or when we are using singular subject, we can use ACE or ES. And ING form of words. ING verbs. When we say ING, let us say walk. Let us change. Walking. Go. Going. Let us use, like, we can use more verbs by adding ING. Students, let us start so do I. When we are going to use so do I, let me show you some sentences. Here is, I love apple. This is maybe as a conversation or as a dialogue with your friend. Maybe your friend said, I love apple. Let us say student A or Abel. Here it is. Abel said, I love apple. There is another student, let us say student B, said, So do I. It means me too. It means me too. I love apple too. Here is when we said so do I, means I love apple too. Like you, I love apple. When we said short form, so do I. So do I. There is a form, I love apple. So do I means I love apple too. Student A, and here is B. I like playing football. The next student can say what? So do I. It means I love playing football. Play football. Next student is so do I. So do I. It means I love too. I prefer too. Let us make it negative form of like and dislike. When the person say, I don't like banana. So student B might don't like banana. So there is example. Neither do I. Here is example. When you said there is a negative sentence, here is I don't, because when we try to express what you don't prefer, we just use don't like or hate or dislike. So I don't like banana. So student B can say instead of I don't like, instead of or I dislike, there is short form, neither do I. Neither do I. It means I don't like or I dis too. Means both of you don't like banana. Both of you don't like banana. So instead of like I don't like banana or I dislike banana or I hate banana, you can say neither do I. Neither do I. It means I don't like banana too, like your friend, like your brother, like your sister. There is a form of word. Students, let me give you questions that you can practice with expressing what you don't like and like by using so do I. Let us start. Don't forget, try to use paper and let us practice together. Classwork. Complete the dialogue by using so do I or neither do I. Question number 1. I love chocolate. So there is question number 2. I can't play guitar. 3. I am tired. Students, practice this question. I'll be here after 1.5 minutes, and we're going to practice and I'll give you correction. Students, I hope you all are practice this question. Let me give you correction and let us practice together. So question number 1, I love chocolate. I love chocolate. This is a positive sentence, and let us use so do I or neither do I. Let us see. We can say so do I. It means I love chocolate very much. We can say here, I love chocolate very much. Means when you said so do I, it means I love chocolate very much, like you, like your friend. Let us say I can't play guitar. I can't play guitar. Here is can't. So let us say negative sentence, neither can I. Neither can I. It means I wish if I could. It means that you hope or you wish to play guitar. It means you hope to play guitar. Both of you, your friend and you also can't play guitar. That you just show by saying neither can I. Neither can I. There is a verb. The next one is I am tired. You were in the school playing with your friend, studying and learning English, mathematics in the school, and you are tired. And your friend said, I am tired. We can say after this conversation or dialogue easily, so am I. It means I am tired too. I am tired too. This is the first classwork. Also, you can practice more sentences by using this. So do I, neither can I, or there are many of them. Let us continue, students. I like. 2, I don't like. 3, I am happy. 4, I can swim. These are form of phrases that you can show your preference, what you like, and what you don't like. I just want, there is a way to say so do I, neither. You can use both of them, depends on the sentence. I just want which kind of vocabulary you can use for these words or phrases. Let me see. Let me give you 1.5 minutes, and I will be back. students, I hope you all have finished your activity too. So let us correct this classwork together and let us practice also. So here is the first question. I like. I like, we can say what? So, do I? I like, so do I? Look, students here. I like, so do I? This is as a dialogue when we are talking with the person, with your friend, is whatever. You can say, if the person say, I like, you can say, so do I. It means I like to, means I like to. Here is question number 2. I don't like. This is negative sentence. I don't like. I don't like. It might be fruit, it might be subject, it might be sport, it might be art, whatever. The person say, I don't like. It means neither do I. Neither do I. It means I don't like to. I do not like to. I do not like to. There is number 3. I am happy. I am happy. This is a positive feeling that you are happy, you are glad with something. Then the person can say, so am I. So am I. It means I'm happy too. I am happy too. Here is, I can swim. I can swim. Your friend say, I can swim. Can show ability. It might be language. For example, I can speak French. I can speak Afan Oromo. I can speak English. This is the ability that you are able to do. It might be language, swimming, sport, whatever. For example, the person can say, I can paint. I can sing. I can draw. This is also show ability. So here is, I can swim. I can swim. So the person also say, so can I? So can I? It means I can swim too. Too. Look, students, I can swim. So can I? So can I? So can I? It means I can swim too. We can use this as a negative form is by using neither I. When we said neither I, can I, and also neither am I, and also we can say neither do I. Neither do I. By using can, and do. These are, we can use can, and I. This one is verb to be. This one is verb to do. This one is auxiliary or helping verb can. So this is, it means can't. It means can't. It means I can't. I can't play guitar. I can't swim. The next one is neither am I. Neither am I. For example, if your friend said, I'm not happy. I'm not happy. It means you are not happy too. Here, neither am I. So it means I'm not. I'm not. Here is I'm not. It means I'm not happy. Or I'm not tired. Whatever. The next one is neither do I. Here is do and does are called verb to do. Verb to do. So here is neither do I. Neither do I. So it means I don't. That means I do not or I don't. So here is example of negative form of like and dislike. Let us summarize our today's lesson. Students, what we learned today? Yes, we were learning about like and dislike, and also so do I. Students, what it means I prefer or I enjoy. It means I like, and also I prefer, I enjoy. You can use many vocabularies to show what you like and what you prefer. For example, by using I love, she likes, he loves. And these are examples of what I prefer, maybe person, maybe you are. And also we can say I enjoy. We can use different pronoun or subject, different pronoun and subject by using they. For example, let us say they like eating fruits. And let us say we love English. English. This is what we prefer, what we like. And also there is a thing what you don't prefer, what you don't like. There are many examples for that, and there are some vocabularies to show what you don't like. For example, don't like, I hate, and also I dislike. You can use this vocabulary, don't like, I hate, and I dislike. And you can use these vocabularies with a sentence. For example, I hate football. It might be watching, for example, let us say, I hate watching football match. Okay. I hate watching football match. I hate watching football match. And let us mention she doesn't like walking. Look, students, she doesn't like walking. That show she don't prefer. So these are examples of our vocabulary. Also sentences that show what you don't like. It means you don't prefer. You don't prefer. When we said prefer, there are two choices. It might be tea or coffee, burger or pizza. Then what you prefer for both of them. For example, tea or coffee. Tea or coffee. When the person asks you tea or coffee, you just say, I prefer tea. It means I like tea. It means I like tea. I prefer. I like to drink tea. This is when we said prefer. It means also like. And when we have choices like tea or coffee, burger and pizza, maths or English, and also students, this is today's lesson. Let me give you homework, and you can practice also this lesson. Students, don't forget to copy and write the homework question. Let me write for you. Homework. Complete No. Question number 1. I like ice cream. Question number 2. I don't have a car. Question number 3. I'm from Spain. Question number 4. I can't dance. Students, these are your questions that you are going to work here home as homework. Let me show you one sentence as example, and let me give you one answer for one of them, this question. Let me choose number 3. I'm from Spain. I'm from Spain. This is a positive form of word. So let us say, so am I. So I'm from Spain. It means so am I. Means I am from Spain too. Means I am from Spain too. It means both of are, and your friend and you are come from Spain. This is example of this word is so am I. Students, this is example from I just took from these questions, and don't forget to practice these questions your home. I hope you all are write down these questions. Students, this is today's lesson. Let us see next time. Goodbye, students.